Hello guys, you're welcome to this video presentation and tutorial on how to use Mendeley for purposes of citation. Alright, you want to cite in your work, you want to employ the Mendeley application for the purposes of your citation. And today I'm going to help us know how to do that. Okay, so this is my Mendeley user interface. All right, I just opened the Mendeley app on my desktop. Let me show you. Here is the Mendeley application on my desktop. All right, when I open that, I have this user interface. All right, and then in case I want to cite, okay, a reference from here in my work on Microsoft, how do I do that? That's what I'll be showing us this morning. Just in case I want to cite a reference in uh, my work, okay, and at the end generate a bibliography. How do I go about that? Okay, so let me take you to Microsoft Word. Before that, I want to say that if you have an article you've downloaded like this on my desktop, okay, you want to open that in Mendeley, so you can right click on the article. Okay, you go to open with, and then you choose the Mendeley application. Okay, all right, here we go. So this is the article here. You see, it's an article by FAO. All right, so here's the article, and then we could cite any of these articles in our work depending on which you're using at that time. Okay, and then at some point when we are done, we could generate a bibliography or a list of references. So let's go to Microsoft and see how we can do that. Okay, this is a Microsoft document. All right, let me just write a sentence which we are going to cite. Okay, so let me say Mendeley is good for the purpose of referencing. Okay, Mendeley is good for the purpose of referencing. Just in case I got this from somewhere and I want to cite who brought this up. Okay, I'm going to go to references up here. You see that? References, and here you see insert citation. Yes, for Mendeley, yes, for EndNote. We're using Mendeley. Insert citation. So you click on insert citation. Okay, and then here you could either search the article we used, any of the articles, just in case the article we used was an article by FAO. All right, so you could search the article by the author's name or by the title. All right, and then let's just pick this article here. Okay, and then you click on the article, and then you click on OK. It says Mendeley is preparing to format your citations. So you give it a little while, and we're going to have the citation inserted automatically. Okay, there we go. You see that? So Mendeley is good for the purpose of referencing. And here we have Edelstein et al. 2002. See, the reference has, the citation has been inserted. Okay, you could also decide to change the referencing style based on the requirements you need. Okay, you see there's the APA here, there's the American Sociological Association, there are other IEEE, there are other that are different, and there are more styles. You can click on more styles and choose more styles depending on which you're interested in using. In this case, I'm using the APA referencing system. All right, so this is the way you cite using Mendeley. And then somebody may be asking, then how do I generate a list of referencing at the end? So okay, let's try that together. So just in case we are done with the work and then you want to generate a list of references, you go this way. So we have references, okay, let's say we want to generate a list of references. Okay, Okay, references. Okay, good. So we go again to references on menu bar there, and you go to under here, you go to insert bibliography. All right, and then you click on insert bibliography. You see here is the reference to this citation. Okay, so now you have the reference to the citation up here. So as many citations you had in your work, all the references are going to be generated instantly. So it's a very easy way to to reference in your work, okay, than going manually. So you want to consider using Mendeley for the purpose of referencing in your work. Thank you for listening. See you next time.